Hello Blossoms, today we're going to be opening the new Popmart Baby Molly collection. Well, not the whole set because I couldn't afford it, but by all means, it is the cutest little blind box ever. I love how vibrant the colors are. That's what made me purchase it. Isn't the art beautiful? This baby Molly reminds me of me whenever I was a little girl. And the little slippers. Let's see who we get next. Hopefully it's a cute one. Oh my goodness, I got the piano one. Look at the little feet. Oh my goodness. The details are stunning. Wish me luck. Hopefully I got a secret. Oh my gosh, I got baby Molly on the cage. Poor baby. I guess she's being mischievous. And look at that little chunky little fat bird. Please give me this one. Yes. Let's start with this baby Molly's outfit. It is just precious. It makes her look literally like a toddler. And it's amazing. And I love these glasses with her little bird. So cute. Last but not least, I have the little painter. I will say though in advance that I did open this blind box immediately. Just because I wanted to see the quality on these figures. And Popmart has outdone themselves like always. Such a beautiful collection. Too bad I didn't get all of them. But I love the pics that I got. Thank you. Bye-bye.